ඔයා දන්නවද මధుරි ටීචර්ගේ දවස් 16 ක්ලාස් එක ගැන?
අනේ නෑනේ. මොකක්ද ඒක වෙන්නේ?
බයොලොජි හෝ කෙමිස්ට්‍රි විභාගයේ අවුල් වෙලා ඉන්න ළමයින් වෙනුවෙන් පේපර්ස් ලියවලා සිලබස් එකම දවසින් දවසටම කවර් කරනවා. සිංහල හෝ ඉංග්‍රීසි මීඩියම් දෙකෙන්ම ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන්.
In this program, first, I plan to complete organic chemistry part, which means Unit 7, Unit 8, Unit 9, and Unit 10. Organic chemistry means mainly carbon containing. Hydrogen is compulsory, right, with carbon. Those are organic compounds other than carbon and hydrogen. Oxygen, nitrogen, like other atoms are also included. Hydrocarbons are a part of organic compounds. Hydrocarbons mean not only carbon, hydrogen also should include. Hydrocarbon means both carbon and hydrogen containing organic compounds. Not oxygen, not nitrogen. So carbon and hydrogen only. They are different to each other depending on their number of carbon atoms and depending on the bond type of each has, right? Carbon-carbon single bonds, double bonds, or triple bonds. Usually hydrocarbons are three types: alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. Alkenes, alkenes, and alkynes. If some hydrocarbon has at least a triple bond, carbon-carbon triple bond, it is considered as an alkyne, not an alkene. Even it includes carbon-carbon double bonds, so single bonds. If at least single triple bond contains, it is called as an alkyne. Some compounds have at least a single carbon-carbon double bond when triple bonds are absent and single bonds present, and it is okay. If some compound has a single, even it has a single carbon-carbon double bond, it is called as an alkene, and if it contains only carbon-carbon single bonds, it is considered as an alkane. Usually the common molecular formula for alkanes, CNH 2n plus 2, alkene CNH 2n, alkyne CNH 2n minus 2. And consider the 5 carbon alkane, alkene, and alkyne. Carbon 5. If it is an alkane, N equals 5, then what about the hydrogen? 2n plus 2 means 5 into 2 plus 4 means 12, which means 5 carbon alkane C5H12, like that. If it contains 5 carbons and if it is an alkane, what about the real formula? 5 carbon, hydrogen 2n, which means 5 into 2. Therefore, the formula for 5 carbon alkene is C5H10, like that. If it is an alkyne, what about the hydrogen amount? 2n minus 2, which means 2 into 5 minus 2 means 10 minus 2 equals 8, which means C5H8. It should like that. And if only single bonds present, it is an alkene. If at least a single carbon-carbon double bond present, it is an alkene. Here, no carbon-carbon triple bonds. Here, at least a single carbon-carbon triple bond present, it is called as an alkyne. Priority goes like this: alkyne, then alkene, then alkane. Next, reactions of alkane. Reactions of alkane. Usually, alkanes, which means only carbon-carbon single bonds present. If it is a hydrocarbon, when it contains only carbon-carbon single bond, it is called as an alkane. Here, how it is made? CH3. We want to synthesize RCH3 like alkane. R means C2H5O, CH3O, and if it is the linear one, if it is the branched one, again it is an alkane. How to produce an alkane? By using an aldehyde, RCHO. Here, number of carbons should not be changed. Aldehyde is RC like this. Correct. This is the this carbon oxygen double bond. This group is called as the carbonyl group. Carbonyl group. This oxygen is called as carbonyl oxygen, and this carbon is called as carbonyl carbon. Correct. So now, note this. If we want to synthesize an alkane, we should use the same carbon containing aldehyde, and this is called as Clemmensen reduction. Zinc, He, Hunk, HCl. That is how an alkane is produced. What about the reactions of alkane? Reactions of alkane in our syllabus only chlorination or bromination discussed. Right? Which means methane chlorination, which means HmuCCl4. HmuCl product is CCl4. Alkane reactions. Right? How to make an alkane? By using an aldehyde which contains same number of carbon atoms. And this is called as Clemmensen reduction. If you want, you can note these things. This reduction is called as Clemmensen reduction. What about the region? See, mercury and Hunk HCl. That's all about alkane. Then alkenes. Alkenes means carbon-carbon double bond having hydrocarbons, which means no oxygen, no nitrogen, only carbon-carbon triple bonds. Double bonds, sorry, no carbon-carbon triple bonds. Such compounds are called as alkenes. We will discuss the nomenclature later. For now, you should prepare this short note. How to prepare an alkene? By using an alkyne, same number of carbon having alkyne, CH3, triple bond CH. This is an alkyne actually. Regions H2, palladium, BaSO4 quinoline. BaSO4 quinoline. Then same number of carbon having alkene is produced. CH3, CH double bond CH2. Next, same number of carbon having alcohol. CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. We can use two regions from H2SO4, E, O, anhydrous Al2O3, T. Next, we can use an alkyl halide CH3, CH2, CH2, X. X means ClBrOI. Alcoholic KOH. That is how alkenes are produced. What are the reactions of alkenes? Two basic reactions: electrophilic addition reactions and oxidation reactions. Electrophilic addition reactions and oxidation reactions. Electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic addition reactions. There are 5 electrophilic addition reactions we are discussing in your syllabus. First, HX addition. H means HBRO, HBRO addition. What happened? This halogen atom, imagine if it is bromine, it goes to the central carbon of this molecule, which means usually, according to the Markovnikov rule, hydrogen of this alkyl halide binds to the carbon which has more number of hydrogen atoms. And in between these two carbons, we can see if carbon contains high number of hydrogen atoms. Here, one hydrogen, here two hydrogen. Here usually this hydrogen adds to this carbon, which means high number of hydrogen having carbon. Therefore, this halogen atom, bromine, chlorine, or iodine atom has to go to this carbon. So like this. CH3, CH, CH3, CR, should like this. According to anti-Markovnikov rule, hydrogen goes to the carbon which has low number of hydrogens, and HBr and peroxide. Usually it goes to this carbon. CH3, CH2, CH2, Br. So like this. Then Br2 addition. Br2 addition. Bromine, two bromine atoms goes to two adjacent carbon atoms like this. And from sulfuric H plus H2. Then CH3, CH, CH3, OH. Next one, hydrogenation is 2 nickel, platinum, palladium. Alkene goes to an alkane like CH3, CH2, CH. It should like this. Reactions of alkenes. Those are electrophilic addition reactions. Electrophilic addition reactions. What are the 5 electrophilic addition reactions? HX addition, HBr peroxide medium addition, Br2 addition, Br2 liquid addition, sulfuric addition, which means water addition, and hydrogen addition. Next one, oxidation. Only basic medium, in the basic medium, alkaline medium, we add KMnO4. Then alcohols make diols, which means diols, 2 OH group having compounds. CH3, CH, CH2, 2 OH atoms are added. 2 OH atoms are added. Next one, alkynes. Alkynes mean carbon-carbon triple bond having organic compounds. Carbon-carbon triple bond having organic compounds. Imagine we take this alkyne CH3 triple bond CH. Like alkenes, here also we have discussed about the electrophilic addition reaction. First, Br2 addition. When Br2 liquid is added to an alkyne, 2 bromine atoms, correct? 2 bromine atoms are attached to a single carbon, which means 4 bromine atoms should add to 2 adjacent carbon atoms. Like this, number of carbons are not changed, and number of carbon atoms is not changed like that. CH3, CPH. It should like Br, 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 Br. Then